It's better to plant my plant in a larger pot so it can grow better and I won't have to repot it too soon. Hey, friends. Today, we're talking about repotting your plant. Sounds easy? Not always. Many people make mistakes that stop the plant from growing. If the pot is too small, the roots can't grow, and the plant gets weak. For healthy repotting, you need good soil, pumice or LECA, rice husk, a bit of charcoal, granular fertilizer, optional if needed, fungicide, humic acid, amino acids. Check the drainage holes. No water should stay at the bottom. Don't use a pot that's too big. Just 1 or 2 sizes larger. Steps. Add LECA at the bottom. Then rice husk. A little charcoal. This helps prevent mold and fungus. Charcoal also has many other benefits. Now, gently remove the plant from its old pot. Be careful. Don't shake all the soil off. And don't press or break the roots. Just gently loosen the old soil. And the best time to repot? Spring or summer, because the plant is in its growing phase. It can recover faster if stressed. Be very careful not to damage the roots. Patiently and calmly. No rush. Fill with fresh soil. Place the plant gently. Next, add fresh soil to the new pot. Just enough so the plant isn't sitting too deep. Don't forget, repot your plant every 1 to 2 years, change, depending on the species. So the soil sets around the roots. Then add a few grains of slow-release fertilizer. Water the plant with an amino acid solution. To reduce the shock. Got a question? Or maybe you've done this before? Share your tips in the comments. Let's help each other out. One last tip. To clean white spots or dust from leaves, you can use a natural plant soap. It's great for cleaning and also helps against pests. Share this video with your plant-loving friends. Let them repot the right way too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so you won't miss the next plant tip. I'll be back soon, with more care advice for your plants. Till then, take care of yourself and your green friends.